Right, in this, we're coming to the end of these worksheets now. I think this is number 5 of them. We're actually just spelling chords now, so you have to put all the previous worksheets together. So, for instance, if I have a supertonic in the chord in the key of C sharp minor, I need to know that the note number or letter for 2, supertonics 2, that means it's a D sharp, and that supertonics are half diminished 7 chords, like that. Now, technically speaking, you don't need to write that out. You just need to spell D sharp half diminished. So D sharp, F sharp, A, and then a whole step down from there, or a minor seventh is the whole step down. Okay? Let's try these then. Subtonic is flat 7, so we have to go down a whole step from the A instead of a half step from A flat, so G flat, and then I need a dominant 7 chord because subtonics are dominant. So G flat, B flat, D flat's my major triad, and F flat, flats. Because G's are already dominant, so I just flat everything. Okay? Submediant is 6 in D minor, so I go D, F, A, right? Then I go up to the B flat. Okay? That's that first worksheet page. And then submediants are major chords, major sevenths. So B, D, F, and A, the major seventh, right? Okay, tonics, well, that'll be an F chord and it'll be a minor 7. So F, A flat, C, and E flat for the whole step down from there. Because F, remember all of these are major sevenths to begin with, F chords and C chords. Leading tone is a half step below there, so F sharp. It's fully diminished, so F sharp, A, C, and then F to A, E would be a minor 7, a major 7th, F sharp to E would be a minor 7th, and then E flat, lowering it again, makes it, right? The other way you can think about it is in the key of G, this is going to be an E flat, and then we raise the F up to F sharp because of the harmonic minor scale, okay? All right, mediant is 3, so I go B flat, D flat, F, and it's a D flat chord. It's going to be major, D flat, F, A flat, and so D flat will be C for a major 7 right there. Okay, it doesn't actually ask you to name the chords, it just says spell them, right? Dominant chord, we go B, D sharp, F sharp, right? For our minor 7 or minor triad right there on 1, it's going to be F sharp. Dominant chord is going to be a major triad like that, and then a minor 7. Remember, F to E is major, so F sharp closes it up, making it minor already, so we don't have to do any more. Subdominant is 4. I can go like up a perfect fourth, G sharp up to C sharp, right? Or I could go G sharp, B, D sharp, and then go up a whole step from the B, but you got to find 4, so it's going to be C sharp. Subdominants are minors, so minor triad on that, and then a whole step down or a minor 7 up for the 7th right there. Supertonic, right? It's going to be on 2, which is F sharp. It's going to be half diminished, so you got your, diminished triad, and then you've got your whole step for your 7th. Dominant, E flat, G, B flat. It's going to be a B flat chord, B flat, D, F, A flat for my major triad and minor 7th. Okay. Leading tone, a half step below F sharp is not F. It is, but for purposes of this, we won't want to augment it first down. We want a minor second down, so it's going to be E sharp. And it's going to be E sharp, G sharp, B, and then D right there. Okay. Subdominant is going to be up to the 4. That's going to be a G sharp. It's going to be a minor 7 chord, G sharp, B, D sharp, and F sharp. Subtonic is a whole step down, and it's going to be a dominant chord, major triad, minor 7th. Submediant is going to be F because it's 6, right? It's going to be F, A, C, E for a major 7th chord. Supertonic is going to be E sharp. It's going to be a G sharp and a B for your diminished triad, and then a D sharp for your minor 7th. Okay, right? Dominant is going to be A sharp, C double sharp, or A sharp, C sharp, C sharp, E sharp, right? So it's going to be E sharp, dominant. This is kind of weird, right? It's going to be E sharp, G double sharp, B sharp, and then D sharp. You can just think of this like an E dominant chord and then sharp everything one more time. Mediant is going to be on the 3rd scale degree. It's going to be a major chord, right? Major 7th, just like that. subdominant. Okay, well, it's going to be 4 on here. So A flat is going to be a minor 7 chord. So I just take the A minor chord, because that's what it already is, with the 7th on it. Flat everything. Tonic on here. G sharp. B, oops, nothing there, right? D sharp and F sharp. And submediant again is your 6. It's going to be A flat. It's going to be a major 7 chord. And we're done. Well, it is still a challenge to take all the moving parts and put it together. Just because you could do well on all those other things, now you have to carry all those parts in your head and combine them. It's like it's easy to practice individual parts on a piece, on an instrument, left hand, right hand, rhythm, lyrics, no lyrics, melody at the same time. But then you have to put it all together. And so even if you're proficient in all the pieces, you still have to practice all those pieces together. But there we go.